In the given expression, asterisk is chosen from addition, subtraction, multiplication, each at most 2 times. What is the smallest non-negative value of the expression? Here, 0 is a non-negative value. 0 is non-negative as well as non-positive. So here we have 1 and 0 in the option. So try to get minimum value out of this expression. To get minimum value, use subtraction between largest numbers. That is, use subtraction between 5 and 4 and also use subtraction between 4 and 3, because we can use a sign at most 2 times. That is, it can be up to 0 times, 1 time, or maximum of up to 2 times. Now, 5 minus 4 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Now we have 2 and 1. So, use multiplication between 2 and 1 to get minimum value and then add this 2. So minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So we get 0 as your answer. Option D is your answer.